Hi everybody. Just found this nice little extension for Chrome that you can actually use as a screencast, so you can actually make quick little videos from it. Search free screencast recording for Gmail. Once you open it up, you can select your entire screen, an application window, or a specific Chrome tab that you actually want to record. And there it is starting. Now I'm actually already recording, so you won't be able to see that. Once you have finished the recording, you will find it. It will pop up here, and you can play it. Hi, everybody. Just like that. Pretty simple. Play it for a little fraction of a second first. And then right-click on it, and you go Save Video As, and you can save it down to your computer. You can, of course, the other thing that you can do is you pop down to the little plus sign in the bottom right corner, open that up. You can share it up to YouTube. You can save it into your Gmail or pretty much anywhere else that you want to. With the Gmail, you just sign in and go through all the bits and pieces, and it will save it there. Enjoy.